This little thing here costs $200, the inner part only. So naturally, I'm not gonna pay that amount, and I'll just do a quick DIY fix. I think most of these types of antennas are snapped in half. So today, I'm gonna fix that. Only one hex screw is holding this in. Here's the antenna base, and I don't think this can be removed without taking the roof lining off.
Kind of forgot about this for a while. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some copper wire and then I'm gonna just super glue it to the place. Then I'm just gonna put this gasket kit on it. So I'm just gonna measure quickly. It's about that long.
And yes, I'm aware that this is the phone antenna. This model has the radio antenna integrated to the rear window.
So now I have this copper wire, which is about as long as the gasket here. So I'm gonna just glue it there so it touches the original one. Just press it down a little so it surely gets contact. Oop. There. This is just a normal super glue. So now the new gasket goes with the antenna body. This comes with the antenna cover with the lower part as well, and then a rubber gasket for the bottom surrounding area. I'm just gonna put this first here, and then hopefully it will seal better this way. Antenna body there. This orange piece just goes there where the thread goes. This just goes here. It's kind of tight fit, but it has to be. I just press on the top and push from the bottom.
Now, best would of course to get a replacement from a scrap car. And really, I tried to find one. Every scrap car had this antenna snapped or missing altogether.
So now the gasket is all the way in. The antenna's glue is dried. This just slides in. Oh, it seems it's a bit too long, so I'm just gonna cut that much out. I didn't see this. There was one notch still left, so it was hitting there. So let's try again. Hopefully this copper now is long enough.
So lastly, what did this cost me? This fix cost me €3.50 for the part from eBay, and the wire adds like 20 cents.
There. So that's a simple fix to get this antenna back. Hope you liked it.